I can tell you about the case I had 2 trials ago. The last one was a full acquittal with sexual assault. The one before that, we were representing a Navy lieutenant, and he was accused of sexual assault along with domestic violence and what we believe to be a false allegation from an ex-girlfriend. And so the case we tried before was an ex-wife. This is now an ex-girlfriend. So what you see here are these motives to fabricate. And that particular client brought us on very, very early before he was even charged. And that gave our team the ability to go out and do an independent investigation and start building the facts. So in that particular case, we had pretty darn solid facts that these allegations of sexual assault were unfounded, or that they were really false allegations. So we went to the prosecutor, and we had a very reasonable prosecutor in the Navy that we went to, and a decision was made after we worked with the prosecutor to actually not charge the sexual assault allegations. So 17 charges went forward, and most of them were domestic violence related or assault related. But the sexual assault charges where the accusations were made against our client, those actually never made it to trial. And that's because we were able to get involved very early on. And so he was saved from having to defend himself at trial. And at that trial, we won 15 of the 17 specifications. So we're 15 out of 17. The only 2 he was convicted of were, it was actually on video. And while we did some damage control, it's often difficult if you're on video doing something that you're accused of. So we did a little damage control, but we beat 15 of the 17 charges. He did not have to defend himself against the sexual assault charges. And importantly, he was retirement eligible, and the panel did not give him a dismissal. He's an officer, so he will be able to retire from the Navy. So overall, that certainly is a win in that particular case.